Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today, Chad and I are going to be checking out this 1965 Chevelle. Real sharp looking little car that's a lot of fun to drive. It's got a, wait till you drive it, it's got a ton of get up and go.
I'm excited about it. Heard a lot of things about it.
Under the hood, you got a built 350, solid lifters, so that's the noise you hear and have the guys pull the valve covers. It does have solid lifters.
It's got some good horsepower, just an old high-rise, really cool car. We're going to price this one at $30,995. Just a really nice two-door hardtop, but it's very solid. You know, just a cool driver, not perfect, but something fun. You can go on your cruise nights, have some fun, tear up the streets with and stuff.
A Chevelle for that kind of money is a real good deal. 4-speed manual, fun to drive little car.
Got headers. Yeah, cool car.
And I like the rake. I like the stance it's got.
You do?
Yeah, it just looks sporty.
Yeah,
when you drive it, it all makes sense.
Pretty cool.
Front grille, trim around the headlights, all that looks to be original, so you're going to have some little dings and nicks on that. But hood lines up good. Bumper looks like that was looks like that's been replaced at some point. It's got a nice shine, looks good.
That bumper really looks nice. A lot of this trim and stuff like that needs to be replaced. But
yeah,
if you want a show car, this ain't a show car. This is a fun cruiser.
Absolutely.
You done already, D?
Yep.
Passing the torch?
Passing the torch.
All right. As far as the hood gap goes, nice tight hood gap. Back of the hood fits great on both sides. Kind of an ermine, what is it, ermine white probably on this one, I think. 283 badges. Like I said, it's got a nice run of probably 350 small block in there now. Like D said, just built. Roller rockers.
The thing that's real nice on it, and we'll get to it in a minute, is the interior. You did a really good job with that.
235 6014s. We weren't real crazy about the wheels that came on it. We had these sitting around, so we put them on there. Cooper tires are, like I said, the front ones are in really good shape. Back ones don't look too bad at all either. Wing window really looks good. A little bit of surface rust on the corner of the wing window, but not heavily pitted. Gap's good here. We got a few little chips right along the door edge, but not too bad. The bottom of the front fender is good. I happened to be here, what, a week and a half ago, and the guys, I stopped in and looked underneath of this thing when they had it on the hoist. It's super solid.
It is really solid.
I was pretty impressed.
So it's nice traction bars.
Couple chips right there, but the bottom of the door is great. Rocker panel, quarter panel is excellent right here in this dog leg area. Over the wheel well is great as well. We did put the wheel well trim on it. Got a little chip here in the trunk lid area. Back here. It's a good car. Really is. Back bumper's in great shape. Trim around here needs to be replaced if you want to make it perfect. It's all original. But again, up and down the sides, bottom of the door fits good. Front edge of the door fits good. Pretty good car. Hey, this looks good, huh?
Trunk's good and solid.
Trunk mat's new. Looks like we put a new one of that in. Jack instructions original there, ain't it? Looks like maybe a white car from the factory. I'm sure Shay decoded this one as well. A lot of little pits and stuff like that in that trim.
And that's what makes this one $30,995 instead of $55. You know, makes it just a nice driver cruise night car.
A good, solid, entry-level, fast, fun, 4-speed car.
Yep.
And like I said, we haven't got to the best point yet. You want to show it to me?
Yeah. Yeah, the guy did a really nice job on the seats and
wow, he did, huh?
Headliner as well.
They look pretty correct too, all matching front and back. Headliner's beautiful, dome light works. It's a nice car.
It is a nice car.
Back of the seat, they did a nice job on the upholstery when he did it, nice and tight. Don't see any seat belts in the back. It's got some racing seat belts in the front. Some nice ones that'll protect you from rolling around. You might want to put those on, D, if this is fast. Indy 4-speed shifter, original steering wheel. This is something I think a guy could always make really nice if you want. That gray argent dash, plastic, probably should be repainted there. But other than that, man, the interior is excellent. Dash pad is nice. Door panel's been replaced. Corner of the door's solid here. You can see a little surface rust tint, but here's what I'm talking about when it's solid. That corner doesn't have any body filler in it. Door jambs were not painted. This looks like it maybe was painted once before, but not painted the last time. So the door jambs themselves, this is in good shape, but the door itself needs to be repainted on the inside part if you want to make that excellent. But outside paint's really decent on it.
Yeah, it is.
Back glass seems to look good. Right there. Yep. We got a little paint crack right here. Another one right there. And that's bare metal, do you see that? Mm-hmm. That's a good sign. Lower quarter is awesome. Over the wheel well is very, very solid as well. Bottom corner of the door fits great. Front edge of the corner of the door fits really nice to that fender too. Again, really nice, solid original car, good gaps. They started with good bones on this one.
Yeah, they did.
There's some little paint chips right there on the edge of the door. Again, showing your bare metal. I mean, there's not a ton of paint on this car and any filler, nothing like that. Door panel, rubber's been replaced. Door panel's been replaced when they did the interior. Did a great job there. Factory VIN number. They have Summit oil pressure and water temp gauges here. Radio delete, which is, they had a lot of that in 64 and 5. $93,251 miles.
Nice. This is all original too.
Yeah, it is. Everything moves freely, but it looks to me like the fan is just not going to work for us. But it all clicks and everything like it should. So, good sign. Wipers work. This one also, I think we did a complete tune on, didn't we, pretty much?
We did, yeah. Yep, so in a couple days went through it.
Horn works. Like I said, great original car gone wild. I like that. That's the new one.
Great original car
gone wild.
Yeah, gone wild. Great original car gone wild.
Ooh, I like it. What else we got, Big D? Hot oil pressure is 60 pounds. Don't have a tag, so we'll kind of go easy there. I know we this had some old gas in it too. Just kind of sat around for a little bit. We pumped it all out, gave it a complete tune, got it ready to go.
I think it's got a new carb on it too.
Okay, yeah, we did. We didn't mess around.
No.
I mean, no sense, right?
It's fun.
It is fun. Speedometer works great. Here's your brakes. They work nice. Really good brake pedal.
Yeah. Good oil pressure too. I mean, up over 60 pounds oil pressure. Jumps right up to 80.
See if the drone can catch us. That was your traction bar.
Yep.
You know that? Traction bar had a little pop, pop, pop.
Yep.
Every time I shifted. This thing's got some serious power.
It does. Yeah, I was impressed. It's a fun car.
It just keeps pulling. And let's go through it one more time, and I won't hammer it quite so hard where we have to hear that damn traction bar. But
yeah.
That's what they did back on the old school, you know?
Yeah, they're getting.
You know when it's time to shift when that traction bar just lightly touch the floor pan or what?
Yeah.
Sears good too. I like this thing.
I'm
a believer.
It's a lot of car for the money. I mean, 4-speed muscle car for $30,995.
Yeah, with some good horsepower. It goes, man.
You can't help yourself.
I just got back from that 600 horsepower RT, that Mopar.
Yeah.
This thing would freaking almost give it a run.
It would. This is quick. And it's got some fun gears in the rear end too, where you can take right off.
Yeah, and you know what? It seems like we're going down the road 50 mile an hour right here, and we're not wrapping out at all. I mean, 50, 56, it's just comfortable.
Yeah, it's a good car, real good car.
One thing I want to point out, we do have a little crack in the windshield, but it's not going to go anywhere else because it goes from here to there, about 2 inches down. So way out of sight, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. One last thing, gas gauge is over on full. I'll have to talk to the guys to see what they found. Oh, wow.
Yeah, glove box is
Look what you
nice
found
and
in
original
there.
too. Very nice. That's fun.
It is fun. I'm going to put it away.
Go to the website, coyoteclassics.com. Check this little thing out. I don't think it's going to be around here too long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.